In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Gmail. A distribution list is simply a handy way to email a group of people without typing each address every time. In Gmail, this is done by creating a label in Google Contacts and applying that label to the people you want to reach together. Once the label exists, you can use it in Gmail just like a regular email address group. Start by opening Google Contacts. You'll see your list of contacts. To build your distribution list, hover your mouse over a person you want to include, and click the checkbox that appears on the left. Keep going down your list and check the box next to each contact you want to add. You can select as many as you need. If you change your mind about someone, just click their box again to deselect them. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the contacts with the email addresses you actually use for this group, so you don't end up emailing the wrong address. Once your contacts are selected, look toward the top of the screen for the label icon. It looks like a small tag. Click that icon. You'll be prompted to create a label for the selected contacts. Choose Create Label. Then give your label a clear, memorable name, something like Team Updates, Clients, or simply Distribution List, so you'll recognize it later. When you're happy with the name, click Save. That's it. The people you selected are now grouped under that label. Now, let's use it in Gmail. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, begin typing the label name you just created. Gmail will suggest the label as you type. Click the label when it appears, and Gmail will automatically add everyone in that label as recipients. You can also place the label in the CC or BCC fields if that fits your situation. A quick tip: using BCC helps keep recipients' addresses private from one another. From here, write your subject and message as usual and send. Your label will stay available for future emails, so the next time you need to reach the same group, just start typing that label name again and let Gmail fill in the recipients for you. And that's all there is to it. By creating a label in Google Contacts and using it when you compose in Gmail, you've effectively built a simple, reliable distribution list that saves time and keeps your communication consistent.